Look at this. Look at this. You got 2 bunk beds.
Yeah.
Kids already up there. Got a window to look out to the bay. Say they hooked this up.
It's the marina.
The marina. Yeah. I just say Castaway Bay because it say Castaway Bay.
This whole hotel is on the water. Look, go sit down there on some water. They built it in the water.
This is our TV. Got a little entertainment center with the fridge. There's a nice little fridge right there. Microwave. Well, I don't know what my wife is. Bathroom area, double sink with all you need. Towels. You got a little area over here, like a little changing area if you want to get changed. I got the mirror. This is seats right here. Bathroom over here. Looks pretty decent. I don't see nothing all over the place. Nice little LED lights. It's pretty nice in here. Cinnamon rolls, pancakes, waffles, sausage, bacon. This is a lot of eggs.